So it is in our interest as a people to support the government's thrust in getting rid of the gangs and the organized criminals so that we can truly embrace this new Jamaica that is dawning and emerging for us to recognize and fulfill our true potential. But now is not a time for us to become celebratory, lest it leads to complacency. The violence challenge that we have, the crime problem that we have is multifaceted, and we have only dealt with one dimension of it. Granted, it is the main dimension of the problem, which is the organized nature of violence that we have in the country, the organized institutional violence, and that's what we're dealing with. But there is still what I term the social violence, the use of violence as a means of social interaction, the use of violence to resolve conflicts, the use of violence to discipline children, the use of violence in intimate partner relationships, and the use of violence to solve neighborly conflicts.